Look at that, dude!
Best firework party ever.
I know my battery's low, damn it. Let me record.
My battery's low too, Mom. I'm still recording.
Wow. I'm like, battery low, I don't care.
Joy, if we take him to see the fireworks, he might go into a car.
I know.
Maurice,
I know.
them Joy there, he might go crazy. Right? Wait, calm, wait. And he's not scared either. He's not.
Fireworks.
That one's still got
Come on, homie, we can ready to go to Winston Hayden. I bet you see some.
You go right up there across the street.
I'm loving it, Sean. Thank you.
You can go to Winston Avenue, sit in front of the VA hospital with
Yeah.
the chairs, and you can see the whole fire.
Come on,
I did it before.
put up enough fireworks.
Scared all you. But hey, Maurice, you remember when we took you? Oh, fireworks.